Hey guys, today CBSE class 12th biology paper is being conducted and we are here to know how exactly the paper was. So for that we will have one-to-one feedback with the students ताकि हम जान सकें कि पेपर कैसा था. तो आइए बच्चों से बात करते हैं और देखते हैं कि उनको पेपर कैसा लगा. So how was the paper today?
It was not a easy paper. It was मतलब not so easy, not so difficult, but it was quite difficult paper.
So why you are saying it was difficult? Came from outside of the syllabus?
No, but some questions are very tricky, so I was not able to answer them.
So how was the paper today?
Paper was good actually. It was not very tough. It was easy.
So paper was from NCERT?
Yeah, it was almost. It was from NCERT.
So how was the paper today?
Paper was nice. I can score 57 marks out of 70.
So was the paper fully NCERT based?
Yes, fully.
Some questions got repeated from last 5-year questions?
Yes. Some questions were repeated from the last year questions.
Section wise, can you comment that which section was lengthy?
Section, of course, section E was lengthy than any other section because marks ज़्यादा थे उसके.
So कितने marks आप expect कर रहे हैं आज के पेपर में?
57 marks out of 70.
So how was the paper today?
The paper was nice but a little tricky.
Okay. So again the paper was NCERT based.
Yeah, it's full of NCERT based. I think so.
So can you tell that what paper was easy, tough or medium?
Paper not was so much easy, not was so much.
So question came from the important topics or unimportant topics?
Some questions are came from important topics or some one word questions are coming from unimportant topics. So one can leave it.
Well, I will say that this year's question paper was somehow tricky and not well balanced, because if we'll compare for 2 to 3 years the question paper, this year's question paper, that means the questions were asked from so many unimportant topics, because if we'll compare all the 3 or 4 years question paper, we get to know that these are the questions which are very, very important, and these questions definitely they will repeat in the question paper in any format. But this year, that is the questions they are asked from some unimportant topics. That means if we'll compare, that is the chapter 1 and chapter 2, some questions are there. That means the students not give that much emphasis on that topics. But these questions they have asked this year, that is in 3 marks questions and 2 marks questions, and some questions are mainly that is the indirect questions. And as I told, that is if we'll take the chapter 6 molecular biology, that is a chapter, that is so many questions are there what they have asked since last 3 to 4 years, and not even this year they have asked from one of them. That is the thing. And then that's why I'm saying this year the students, for brighter students also, it's very much difficult to score 65 plus, because the questions are very much theoretical, and that too one most important thing is this question paper does not include or did not include diagrams. That is 1 or 2 questions are there, that is only to draw the diagrams. So I would say that this year's question paper is somehow tricky and tough in compared to the last year question paper.
So after having one-to-one feedback with the students and teacher, we got a mixed reaction. Some of them said the paper was bit tricky, and teacher said even the paper was bit tricky, as this year most of the questions came from unimportant topics. Yes, the students who have gone through the NCERT well can score good marks this year.
For more updates on CBSE board exams, log on to cbse.jagranjose.com.